Take a little video here, plowing the February 8th and 9th and 10th storm, Peoria. The new to me 810 blizzard. Probably the best thing I've ever bought. Moves snow like nobody's business. Just a matter of me getting used to it after all these years of plowing with a Western straight blade. There's about 3 times as many switches in here as there used to be. So it really throws the snow a lot better than old Western did. Even though it still had a good finish on it, unlike most Westerns do these days. This just has a better attack angle and seems to scrape and throw that snow an awful lot better.